Hello, good afternoon, students. This is the video for class 7A, class 7 mathematics. In our previous classes, we have studied the properties of multiplication of rational numbers. And after that, we are going to do the problems of worksheet 3. Now, question number up to 4 we have already discussed in our previous classes. Now it is question number 5. So that minus 4 by 3 into under bracket 2 by 5 plus minus 7 by 3 is equal to minus 4 by 3 into 2 by 5 under bracket plus under bracket minus 4 by 3 into minus 7 by 10. You are seeing this question. Now let us see LHS. In LHS what we have? In LHS we have minus 4 by 3 into under bracket 2 by 5 plus minus 7 by 10. Here this is minus 4 by 3 into under bracket 2 by 5, and here plus and minus, this will give you minus 7 by 10. Now it is equal to minus 4 by 3 into, we have simplified it. Simply taken the LCM of 5 and 10, it is 10. Now if you divide 10 by 5, you will get 2, and 2 into 2, 4, minus 10 divided by 10, 1 into 7, minus 7. So we are having minus 4 by 3 into minus 3 by 10. Now it is simplified further, and you are having minus 2 into minus 1, that is 2 by 5. This is LHS. Now we will switch over to the RHS. You are watching this RHS. We will simplify it. Here we are going to have minus 4 into 2 by 3 into 5 is equal to minus 8 by 15 plus, here we are having minus 4 into minus 7, that is 28 by 30. We have more simplified it. Now it is 14 by 15. So we are having minus 8 by 15 plus 14 by 15, which can be written as 14 by 15 minus 8 by 15. Similarly, we have taken the LCM and simplified it. We are going to have 6 by 15. So it is cancelled 3 times. 3 2 are 6 and 3 5 are 15. So it is 2 by 5. So what we have watched here already, that LHS is equal to 2 by 5 and also RH is equal to also 2 by 5. LHS 2 by 5 and also RHS 2 by 5. So hence LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore the given statement is true, and so minus 4 by 3, this is equal to this. Clear? Now the different type of question is question number 7. Simplify and express the result in standard form. Simplification is there. It's a very simple thing. Let us see the question number 1a. Minus 4 into under bracket 7 by 3 minus 9 by 10, bracket closed. So what do we have? Minus 4. So according to BODMAS rule, what we do the simplification under the bracket. First of all, here in bracket we have 7 by 3 minus 9 by 10. So we will take the LCM of 3 and 10. It is 30. You know, 30 divided by 3, 10. 10 multiplied by 7 is equal to 70. And 30 divided by 10 is equal to 3 into 9 is equal to 27, minus 27. What we are having? Minus 4 into, subtract from this, you will have 43 by 30. Now we are going to cancel minus 4 by 2 and 30 by 2. We are having minus 2 by 15 into 43. So this will give you minus 46 by 15. And this is the result. Minus 86 by 15. Now another question of the same thing, same chapter, same question, question number 7. 5 by 4 minus 6 by 20 under bracket into 8 by 11. So according to BODMAS rule, we use to simplify the matter under the bracket. So here 4 and 20 is there. We take the LCM of 4 and 20, and you know 4 5 is 20, so the LCM is 20. 20 divided by 4, it is equal to 5. 5 into 5, 25 minus 6, bracket closed, into 8 by 11. Now after subtracting 25 minus 6, we are having 19 by 20 into 8 by 11. Okay. Now it is further simplified. It is cancelled by 4. 4 2 is 8 and 4 5 is 15. So we are having 19 2 is 38 by 11 5 is 55. So this is your answer. Okay, dear students, the problems of worksheet 3 from your DAV book, Secondary Mathematics Class 7 Standard, worksheet 3. I think all of you have had understood. The rest questions I will send on the same snap homework for your exercise. Let us move to the next topic, that is reciprocal of a rational number. In our previous class, we had mentioned about the multiplicative inverse of a rational number. About the multiplicative inverse of a rational number. In that we had explained to you, if x is a non-zero rational number. X, in previous class I had discussed to you, x is a rational number other than 0. Other than 0 means what? Non-zero. Means x be any rational number not equal to 0. Other than 0. So if x is a non-zero rational number, then 1 by x is called its reciprocal. That is the reciprocal of x. Once again, if x is a non-zero rational number, then 1 by x is called its reciprocal. That is reciprocal of x. The reciprocal of x is also written as x to the power minus 1. X to the power minus 1. X to the power minus 1, it is the reciprocal of x. And it is written as 1 by x. You know, reciprocal of x is 1 by x. So x to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 by x. All have understood? Similarly, I have given an example. A by b to the power minus 1, that is reciprocal of a by b. It will be written 1 upon a by b. And when it is simplified, you will have b by a. So what is the reciprocal of a by b? Reciprocal of a by b is b by a. Clear? Similarly, let us have a numerical example. 2 by 3 to the power minus 1. That is the reciprocal of 2 by 3. Numerically, it will have 1 upon 2 by 3. 1 upon 2 by 3. 1 bata 2 bata 3. And this will give you 1 upon 3 by 2. 1 into 3 by 2, that is equal to 3 by 2. So if any fractional number is there, and if you want its reciprocal of a fraction number is simply the numerator of the previous fraction and denominator in the reciprocal of the given fraction will become as the denominator of the previous fraction will be the numerator, and the numerator of the previous fraction will be the denominator. Just like you have seen, 2 by 3, numerator is 2 by 3, 2, and denominator is 3. When its reciprocal is taken, the denominator becomes the numerator. Here 3. Here it was denominator. Now here it is numerator. And 2 was the numerator, but in this it has become denominator. So simply 2 by 3 is there. Its reciprocal is 3 by 2. 4 by 5 is there, its reciprocal is 5 by 4. All of you understood? Now there are certain properties are there. 0 has no reciprocal. 0 has no reciprocal. Why? You may raise question, why sir 0 doesn't have, why doesn't 0 has a reciprocal? The simple thing is that if you find the reciprocal of 0, you will write reciprocal of 0 is equal to 1 by 0. And you know, you have studied, we cannot divide any number by 0. Division of any number by 0 is indefined. Therefore, 1 upon 0 means you are going to divide 1 by 0. Similarly, 2 by 0, 3 by 0, 4 by 0. So whatever number is there, if you divide it by 0, it is indefined, indetermined. So division of a number by 0 is not defined. Simply, therefore, 1 by 0 does not exist. So we can say that 0 doesn't have its any reciprocal. Clear? Reciprocal of a 1. Reciprocal of 1 is always 1. 1 by 1 is equal to also 1. So these are the properties of reciprocal. Let's recapitulate once again. If x be a rational number 0 other than 0, non-zero rational number, then its reciprocal is 1 by x. Any doubt? Reciprocal of a number x is also written as x to the power minus 1, and which is numerically equal to 1 by x. Clear? Similarly, we can say a by b is a rational number. Its reciprocal is a by b to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 by 1 upon 1 by b, that is equal to b by a. Similarly, 2 by 3, reciprocal of 2 by 3 means 2 by 3 to the power minus 1, and that is equal to 1 upon 2 by 3, and so it is equal to 3 by 2. Any doubt? Now the properties of, in this properties, 0 has no reciprocal. Clear? Because if you find the 0, reciprocal of 0, it will become 1 upon 0, and 1 upon 0, division of a number by 0 is not defined. Therefore, this 1 by 0 does not exist, and so we can say that the reciprocal of 0 does not exist. 0 has no reciprocal. Reciprocal of a number 1 is always 1. Reciprocal of a number is 1. 1 upon 1 is equal to 1. Clear? Now, let us switch over to worksheet 4. The problems related to the reciprocal of the given number. Correct? Any problem? I don't think you may have any problem. Let us see the example, the question that is being answered by me. Reciprocal of minus 1 by 5. Reciprocal of minus 1 by 5 is equal to minus 1 by 5 to the power minus 1, because you know reciprocal of any number has minus 1 as power. So minus 1 by 5 is equal to minus 1 by 5 to the power minus 1. This means minus 1 by minus 1 by 5, that is equal to minus 5 by minus 1. 5 by minus 1. When we convert it into standard form, it becomes minus 5. Okay. Here 5 by minus 1 is there. If it is converted into a standard form, what you will have? We will multiply 5 by minus 1 and minus 1 by also minus 1. So here it will become minus 5 and minus 1 into minus plus 1. 5 upon plus 1, that is minus 5 only. So reciprocal of minus 1 by 5 is minus 5. Now another question is there. Fourth question of question number 1. Find the reciprocal of minus 2 by minus 19. You know, minus 2 by minus 19, it is not in its standard form, right? Because any number whose denominator is negative is said to be not to be in standard form. So first of all, what we do, we convert it into a standard form. In such questions, if needed, you must convert the given fraction into its standard form and then you should solve. Multiplying by numerator by minus 1, denominator by minus 1, we are having 2 by 19, correct? Minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2 minus 19 into minus 1, it is plus 19. Now, reciprocal of minus 2 by minus 19 is equal to minus 2 by minus 19 upon to the power minus 1. And we know what is the value of minus 2 by minus 19 from here? 2 by 19. From here, this is the value of minus 2 by minus 19. So we can write here minus 2 by minus 19 as 2 by 19 to the power minus 1. And as a reciprocal, you know, 1 by 2 by 19, its numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. So it is 19 by 2 answer. Any problem? I don't think you may have any problem. Now, let us see another question. Check if question number 2, I will send you the questions on your Snapboard. Okay. Check if the reciprocal of minus 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. We have to check. We have to verify whether the reciprocal of the number minus 2 by 3 is 3 by 2 or not. Whether 3 by 2 is the reciprocal of the number minus 2 by 3. Clear? कहने का मतलब ये हुआ कि चेक करना है कि क्या माइनस 2 बाई 3 का रेसिप्रोकल 3 बाई 2 होगा. इज 3 बाई 2 इज द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ minus 2 by 3. Okay, so let us see the reciprocal of minus 2 by 3. Reciprocal of minus 2 by 3 is equal to minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 1. Right? It means 1 by minus 2 by 3. 1 upon minus 2 by 3. And it will become 3 by minus 2. Numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. So minus 2 by 3 is will become 3 by minus 2. Okay. Now let us convert it into its standard form. So 3 by 2 multiplied by minus 1 and minus 2 multiplied by minus 1, it is minus 3 by 2. Now what do you see? The reciprocal of the given number is minus 3 by 2. But the number is minus, reciprocal of minus 2 by 3 is equal to 3 by 2. And the given number is, here is minus 3 by 2 and the given number is minus 2 by 3. Sorry. It is by mistake. Minus 2 by 3. So what do you observe? Minus 3 by 2 is the reciprocal of minus 2 by 3. No. Yes. Here what do you see? The reciprocal of minus 2 by 3 is equal to minus 3 by 2. But according to question, it is asked, sorry, it was correct. Sorry. It was correct. But according to question, the reciprocal is 3 by 2. क्वेश्चन कह रहा है कि माइनस 2 बाई 3 का रेसिप्रोकल 3 बाई 2 होगा. हमने 2 बाई माइनस 2 बाई 3 का रेसिप्रोकल निकाला तो माइनस 3 बाई 2 हुआ एंड विच इज नॉट इक्वल टू प्लस 3 बाई 2. Therefore, we can say that 3 by 2 is not the reciprocal of minus 2 by 3. Correct? one more question. Next question is there, question number 4. Verify that x minus y to the power minus 1, x minus 1 under bracket to the power minus 1 is not equal to x to the power minus 1 minus y to the power minus 1. This is question number 4. Verification type of questions. In another question 5, 6, 7, perhaps you may have this. I will send you the question. Verification is there by taking x is equal to minus 2 by 7 and y is equal to minus 4 by 3. I think you have already done. You have already done such questions of verification, just like by taking x, y and z and associative law verification, x and y taking as a commutative law of verification, x, y and z by taking and distributive law of verification. So it's very simple. What do we do in this case? Putting x power minus 2 by 7 and y is equal to minus 4 by 3 in LHS. Whenever verification question is there, one thing must be kept in mind, my boys and my girls, my students, my dear students, that verification, you are going to verify the LHS equal to RHS, correct? So, first of all, you must solve the LHS, then find the result, and then you should solve the RHS, okay? Then also find the result. And now you have to compare whether LHS is equal to RHS or not. If LHS becomes equal to RHS, then it is verified. And if it is not equal to LHS is not equal to RHS, then it is not verified. Okay. So in this question, you see the LHS is there, x minus y under bracket to the power minus 1. This is LHS, right? You are watching x minus y whole to the power minus 1. Now what we do? We put x is equal to minus 2 by 7 and y is equal to minus 4 by 3 in LHS. We have, see here, x is equal to minus 2 by 7 and y is equal to minus 4 by 3 whole power minus 1. Minus 2 by 7, here minus and minus. Minus and minus will become plus, and so it is 4 by 3. Now I have taken the LCM, 7 and 3, 21. Now 7 3 ja minus 6 and 3 7 ja and 4 28. Now, so what do we have? 28 minus 6, 22 by 21 to the power minus 1, and it is equal to 21 by 22. Any confusion? 1 upon 22 by 21, this will become 21 by 22. This is LHS. Now let us come to RHS. What is RHS? X to the power minus 1 minus y to the power minus 1. Similarly, we will put the value of x and y in LHS, RHS also. So x is equal to, you have seen, minus 2 by 7 to the power minus 1 minus 4 by 3 to the power minus 1. Now see, this will become 1 upon minus 2 by 7 and minus 1 upon 4 by minus 4 by 3. So this will give you 7 by minus 2 and here minus 3 by minus 4, reciprocal. We convert it into standard form. Similarly, 7 into minus 1 by minus 2 into minus 1 minus 3 into minus 1 by minus 4 into minus 1. This will give you minus 7 by 2 and minus 3 into minus 1 minus 3 by 4. So it is equal to minus 7 by 2 and minus here. Minus and minus here, it will be multiplied and you will have plus 3 by 4. Now, we have further simplified it. This will give you may see, we have taken the LCM, 4, LCM of 4, 2 and 4, 4. So minus 14 plus 3. Minus 14 plus 3, that is minus 11 by 4. And we therefore, now this will give you here minus 11 by 4. Since 21 by 22 is not equal to minus 11 by 4. So what is 21 by 22? That is LHS. LHS is equal to 21 by 22. And what we have got as RHS? Minus 11 by 4. So what do you have observed? 21 by 22 is not equal to minus 11 by 4. That is, therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. This implies that x minus y to the power minus 1 is not equal to x to the power minus 1 minus y to the power minus 1. Hence, verified. So, this is the end of today's session of class. Yes, you will solve the problems, and if you have any doubt, you may consult me on my phone. Okay, I will explain each and every problem of yours. So do the worksheet 3, and if you don't have book, I will send you the questions on your snap work. Okay, snap homework. Thank you. Have a nice day.